Today we're checking out the hottest fifth wheel line in America in their #1 selling floor plan. Hey, TJ Edwards here with Bankston Motorhomes, and today we're checking out the 2025 Keystone Cougar 23 MLE. And they're the #1 selling floor plan and the #1 fifth wheel line in America for a reason. First of all, this one is half-ton towable, so you don't have to have no 2500, 3500, F450, nothing like that. You can do it in a 150 and most 1500 models. The dry weight is just over 7,700 pounds, so totally nice, totally nice. And today we're going to check out all the features about it, so take a walk around with me. I mean, right off when you come in, you got these shoe storages right here, so you're not tracking in any mud or anything to your camper, into your little safe space after you've been out there in nature, you know. Very nice. It's the little stuff that gets me. So here's our dinette right here. Booth dinette, super nice. It got storage on both sides, which is super nice. Just to put some things in there. And right here we got our collapsible dinette. This will lay all the way down. You put your cushions over the top to get you some extra sleeping area. Super nice if you're having a little bit of company. This raises right up there. Right above that we got our smart TV with some storage on either side. Super nice. Hook up your streaming services right to there. I mean, can't go wrong. Plus we got the wine guard on top. Nice, nice, nice. Walking around to the kitchen area, we got our microwave right here with a bunch of storage right here. I love the way they design these cabinets. The paint looks really, really good. Got more storage down here. Fits all your pots and pans and everything. Lot of storage under the sink. I mean, you can fit whatever you need in there, to be honest. On top of that, love this. We got the stainless steel sink, one piece. Windows all around, tons and tons of storage. You can even put some stuff up here if you'd like. Moving along to the oven and the burner top. Got 3 of them, cook all you need. Even in a small floor plan like this, we got a nice big oven to cook whatever you need. Moving along to the side, got this beautiful fascia. Nice touch. 12-volt refrigerator, like always, super nice. She's gonna open this way. Check that out. The really nice thing about this particular floor plan is even when the slides are let in, you can still access this. So if you're making a long trip to Wyoming or anything like that, or short trip or anything like that, or you stop at a rest stop, want to make a sandwich or anything, chill out, you can access this thing with the slides in. Here's our couch sitting right across from the smart TV to watch all our games and stuff. Get you some cuddle time with your lady, or you can resort to the fight separator, as I like to call it. All fun. Got massage seats and heated. Even got charging ports right here. It's actually a really comfortable couch. And it reclines. Got our nice deep pantry right here. As always, Cougar likes to bless us with this coffee bar. I'm a coffee fanatic. I don't know about y'all, but it's definitely a nice place to put one right here. Get your day started right. Got dimmers. This is a new upgrade they've done recently. Super duper nice. You can adjust the lighting. Nice touch with the window valances. More storage right here for coffee stuff. More storage underneath as well. And what I like about in here, there's no floor vents. So that's super duper nice. Not going to kick anything into your vents or anything like that. One thing I almost forgot to mention, Cougar puts their HyperCore in their sidewalls, so that's an inorganic material and completely water resistant. So they're setting you up for success here for sure. You're not really seeing that in many others at this price point. Taking a walk back, here's our control panel where we're going to operate our slides, see our tank levels and everything. Cut on our tank heaters because this has a climate package. You could take this thing all the way up to Alaska, camp out in 0-degree weather, all the way up to 110 degrees, okay? So you can go wherever you want in the US in this Cougar. Awning controls, lights. Moving on into the bathroom, we got this nice shower with a seat in there. You want to chill out after a hot day, just hang out. Super duper nice. Comes along with that tankless hot water heater. Comes standard on the Cougars. Super nice. Here's our sink and much more storage underneath. Even got a medicine cabinet right here, as you can see. Moving along to the bedroom. Got one slide in the bedroom. It's a wardrobe slide, really opening up so you can pack as much stuff while you're going on your trip. This is absolutely amazing. Like, you're getting so much space in a camper that's half-ton towable. It's super nice. We even got storage under the bed. That's our sink covers right there. I mean, between this and that wardrobe in the slide, I mean, y'all gonna have whatever you need, okay? Nice deep drawers on all these. Even got one more underneath here. For any hangables, if y'all going out to eat or anything, hang our polos up there, our dresses, whatever you like, dress pants. Got storage on either side of this, little bitty wardrobes right here and on the other side, and even got some drawers underneath. Got a nice little end table right there to charge our phones, maybe put a CPAP machine, anything that you like. Mine's littered at home, so I like how big and wide that is right there. 2 ACs, one right here in the bedroom, keep you nice and cool. Super duper nice. We'll put our other TV right here, and we got all our hookups right here to connect and make our TVs hot by either the cable that we're going to hook into the campground or our wine guard on top. One thing I forgot to mention is this My Keystone app. It's a must-have for any Keystone RV owners, okay? It's going to keep you out on the road, keep you on more adventures, and leave you less stressed. Obviously, my service department's here to help with anything you might need, but this app is crazy nice. So we're in the 23 MLE, right? So I can troubleshoot problems. God forbid we have any problems, but as we know, things happen, right? So say I'm out camping and something's going on with my water pump. Hey, I'd still the app. Hey, I'm in my 23 MLE, and it's going to help me troubleshoot solutions. If I need to order a part for some reason, I can do that right from the app. And when the part comes in, whether you need a part or not, it has do-it-yourself videos. Like I said, it's going to teach you about your camper, keep you out on more adventures. Super duper nice. We're here for you with whatever you need. Now that we're on the outside, let's take a look around. In our front storage here, we got our nice spare tire. Check that out in there. That's where our batteries will go as well. 4-point auto leveling on this camper. Amazing, especially on one this size. I mean, they're really throwing the whole house at you right here. 4-point auto leveling, like I said, 2 up there, 2 in the back. Almost a full length awning right here. As always, we got our speakers up there. We're having a little campground party, you know what I mean? 2 bottles on either side. Right next to that, our huge pass-through storage. Again, on a unit this size, with 27 foot 11 inches, they just pack everything that you could want in there. Again, it's half-ton towable. It's only 7,778 pounds. So, I mean, you are getting a great starting point right here. Got all our hookups right there. If we wanted to put a little TV right here, we could hook it up and make that hot too. Amazing, amazing stuff. So Cougars, they got a 1-year base warranty and a 3-year structural warranty. Super duper nice. Got our solid steps with our drawback handle. Take a look under here. No one's doing this at this price point, at this length, and at this weight, okay? They got road armor suspension. That's gonna increase the life of your camper tremendously, okay? Not only do they put the road armor suspension on there for you and make you super safe, equip this camper with ABS brakes. Really gonna help out when we're going up and down hills, slippery areas, just rain, you know. Wouldn't wanna have a camper if it didn't have these 2 things right here. Cougar puts them on there for you. Amazing. Walking over here, we got our outdoor kitchen with fridge. Got our hot point right here. Just enough. Got our griddle right here, and that's gonna hook up with our quick LP connect right there. So if you wanted to interchange something, cook with something different, you can as well. Walking around to the back side, we got that beautiful Keystone Cougar logo right there. Ladder, got solar up on the top to keep our batteries trickle charged with 2 ACs, like I said. Got this nice hitch on the back in case you wanted to put something back there, maybe equip it with a generator or carry some e-bikes. 3,000 pound hitch, 300 pound hitch weight, okay? Backup camera prep, like I said. This is where the magic happens on the non-camping side of the camper, as we all know. 50 amp service is where we're gonna plug in right here, okay? They do a really, really great job with their decals and everything. Bang. Instant hot water on demand. Tankless hot water, never run out. Super duper nice. Here's the other side of our pass-through storage right here and our docking station with our auto leveling controls. So take a look at this, configure it however you'd like. Here's our auto leveling controls right here. Super duper nice. Again, they are packing it in on this camper, I gotta tell you. You press this button, press the auto leveling button, you're fully leveled in about 2 to 3 minutes. Super duper nice. And even on here, to make your service department trip super duper quick, you could even do it yourself if you really wanted to. Easy access to the plumbing right behind the docking station. Boom. Walking around the front, again, beautiful logo, Cougar logo. I mean, check out this front cap. Thanks for walking around the #1 selling fifth wheel in the country with me, the 2025 Keystone Cougar 23 MLE. If you want to see this or more like this, give us a call at 256-755-0500. My name's TJ and I'm with Bankston Motorhomes. Come check us out.